Hey guys, welcome to Magnolia Springs in Semmes, Alabama. My featured home of the day is 2180 Meadowview. This home is the Victoria floor plan. It's over 2,300 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom with 3 full baths. This home features tray ceilings in the living area as well as the primary suite, granite countertops in the kitchen with a tiled backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. You also have a walk-in pantry, and just outside these windows is your covered patio. Come on in, let me show you around. Oh, and don't forget, D.R. Horton is paying up to $6,000 towards your buyer's closing costs. Plus, they're offering interest rates as low as 4.75. And this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.